Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be covering margin on our Microsoft Word document. So if you take a look at your document, I'm sure you'll probably notice there's some white space on your left, top, right, and bottom of your document, and that's actually the margin, and you can modify that. Something to keep in mind though, as we modify the margin, if you remove too much margin, it could screw up your document if you're trying to print it out. So maybe you remove most of the margin and your words are like on the edge of your document here, there is a chance that it may get cut off. So just keep that in mind. But let's go ahead and show you guys how we can modify it. So if I go back to the Home tab here on our ribbon and we select Layout, where I just was, you'll see this option for margin. And by default, it should have you under the 1 inch margin on each side under the normal option. But there are some other out-of-the-box options here, like narrow, moderate, wide. And let's say we want to remove some of the margin, so we want to do narrow. Let's go ahead and select that. Now we have 1/2 inch of margin on the left, top, right, and bottom. But there is also an option here where we can come over here to custom margin, and we can actually modify it. So maybe one side we want to be have 0.5. Maybe on the top and the bottom we want 0.5, but maybe on the left and the right we want 1 inch of margin. So let's go ahead and select 1, and let's do. Place my cursor there, 1, and then now we should have 1 inch of margin on the left and the right, but then the top and the bottom should only be 0.5. So let's see if it works. Okay, and yeah, looks like it. So we were actually able to get that additional margin on the sides, just like we wanted. And then if we come back over here to Layout and do margin, it shows us up here the margin that we're using. We have 0.5 on the top, 0.5 on the bottom, and then 1 inch on the left, 1 inch on the right. Now, if we go back here and we do custom margin again, you can decide, do you want that margin to apply to the whole document? Do you just want it to apply this point going forward? So you can get as creative as you need to. And you can also set the different changes to your margin as the default going forward by selecting Save as Default. And that is how you modify the margin on your document.